Can you paint leather with Chalky Chicks paint? You sure can, and today I'm going to use this old boot that was turned into a lamp as an example. I have Lava Cake, Starless Night, and Mermaid, and these are the colors I'm going to use on the lamp. In addition, I have my Bluebird brush from Chalky Chicks Paint. I love this brush and it's going to be quick and easy to get this project done. I'm dipping my brush half into Lava Cake and half into Starless Night to give depth and variation on this old leather boot. First, I'm going to drag it along down to get my first coat done. I'm going to dip right back down into my half and half paint color and lightly dab these two colors all over my leather boot. Using an artist brush, I'm dipping into Starless Night and then I'm going to clean up this boot heel. Then I'm using Mermaid to freshen up the embroidered pattern on the vamp of this old leather boot. It's looking good. Now I think I need to freshen up the base of this boot lamp. Using my Bluebird brush, I'm going back into Starless Night and Lava Cake, but this time I'm going to do a paint wash. This technique is great when you want to mimic a stain on old wood. Now that I've let everything dry, I'm just going back in with some antiquing wax and then I'm going to wipe back the extra. I'm using the same antiquing wax on the boot that I used on the base. The difference is I'm not wiping off extra wax. I'm going to lightly dab it off of the boot. Here is our old leather boot lamp all done and ready for a close-up. My Chalky Chicks paint always comes through.